Okay, so how to register for the exam is you will get a link, and the link will say as soon as you register, you can take the exam, and this is the link. So what you do, click on the link, and as it will take you to the registration page. You can enter your name. Okay. We recommend you use the official email ID. Okay, then once you do that, as soon as you finish registration for the uh, exam, you will see the link. So immediately click on this first attempt and do the quiz. If you have not able to complete the first attempt with a pass mark, then you can attempt the second. If you have already passed, forget about the second attempt. You must complete your exam before the 27th. You must complete it before the 27th. Whatever date is mentioned here, you must complete before this date. It's not a live exam. You don't have to wait for this date. You can do it anytime before this particular date. Okay, so now when I click, it will take me to the quiz page. Here you can find test instruction. In the test instruction, you have the option to access the lab via AnyDesk. So the details are here. You can see the AnyDesk details. You can log in and practice before doing your exam. Okay, and you will get the certificate within 30 to 40 days.